I wanted to share with you my file. You will not believe I have all my old pictures and passport size pictures and my wedding card and everything that's been a part of my life since I was born. It's in here. So I wanted to show it to you guys. So this Photo Magic is one of the places where we get all our pictures. And I wanted to show you a few of those. Okay, now there are a few without hijab, of course. I don't want to show you that, but a few of my pictures when I was a bit younger. Look at that. Okay, we were very funny right there. I have to hide my hair somehow. A lot of the pictures are like without hijab, so that's something I cannot show. But so these are the ones which I got when I had to apply for Umrah. So that's me in grade 11. And then this is like the recent ones. I don't know why do I look like an Irani here, but okay, never mind. Okay, guys, this is something I wanted to show you. This is what my wedding card looked like. And imagine 20 years old. And then this is the one. उस ज़माने में तो हम कार्ड्स ही बनाते थे, राइट? मेहर की स्पेलिंग चेक करें गलत. Alright, now this is the certificate I got when I joined one of the web designing course जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है कुछ भी उसके बारे में. Then I was at Preston University. Then I did some courses and then I don't know why do I have this hospital tests की report also here. Okay, now look at this. उस ज़माने में याद है ये इस तरह के newspapers आते थे and we used to read all of that in Dubai. I used to really love reading this, लेकिन अब तो मैं इसमें मानती भी नहीं हूँ, of course. Just look at that. अच्छा, इस newspaper को रखने का मकसद था. So I was actually showcasing my collection here. And this was also like really, I don't know, I don't even remember when this came in the newspaper. This is when, back in the days when I was doing my course, and that's me. कड़ों का बिल इधर क्यों पड़ा हुआ है? ये बेच के भी पता नहीं 15 साल हो गए शायद. I don't know why this is here. Okay guys, I was in this Pakistani school once upon a time and I was in grade 9. अगर मैं आपको reports दिखाऊं, I was not very, I don't know if I should show this to you. मेरी असलियत बाहर आ जाएगी. Okay, I'll tell you what. Now, I got 37 out of 100 in, I think, in physics, if I'm not wrong. And I'll tell you why. Because our physics teacher was always pregnant and she would take off and she didn't know how to teach. Physics and chemistry teachers were really, really bad. So I really got really bad marks here. Okay, overall, I passed. Okay, guys. I was 6th in the class, then I was 4th in the class, and I was 5th in the class. अब आप सोचें बाकी बच्चे कितने निकम्मे होंगे मतलब मुझे 37 out of 100 मिले उसके बावजूद वो बच्चे कितने निकम्मे होंगे. There was a time when I had joined Emirates as well, and that's my temporary offer of employment. I worked there for 6 months, and then I worked for Seekers Freight, then I worked for Form Management, and then there were so many others. I mean, okay, now this is my Federal Board Intermediate Secondary Education रिपोर्ट. अब मुझे क्या पता था मैंने इस्लामाबाद शिफ्ट हो जाना, यहीं से मेरा सर्टिफिकेट बन के आया था. दिस इज़ इन 2003 एंड कितने मार्क्स लिए थे यार मैंने? 677 आउट ऑफ 1100. आई वॉजंट वेरी 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 ब्राइट. मैं रेक्टिफिकेशन नहीं कर सकती थी. एंड देन दिस वाज किस क्लास का है ये? विच ग्रेड? 2002 ग्रेड 11 का रिपोर्ट ये था. शीश, आई वाज बैड. मैं पास हो गई थी. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. ये 10th ग्रेड का जो है मेरे मार्क्स हैं. आई वाज ओके, ऑलराइट. I was at Preston University. I did my bachelor's halfway through, but then after a year I got married. So not so bad. A, B and C's, that's not so bad. Yeah. यानी बचपन से ही मुझे फिटनेस का बड़ा क्रेज़ था. So I had got this physical fitness certificate for some activity at the school. So this is when I got my driving license. So from Emirates Driving Institute. It's one of the best in UAE. And what do we have here? What is this? I think this is my birth certificate in Arabic. और ये पाकिस्तान में क्योंकि मैं पैदा हुई थी, मेरी अम्मी ने बस मुझे डिलीवर करने पाकिस्तान गई थी. वैसे पूरी मेरी अपब्रिंगिंग यूएई में हुई है. सो दिस इज़ माई ओरिजिनल बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट गाइज. आई एम 40 एंड आई स्टिल हैव इट laminated. This is a huge file from Zulekha Hospital. I think this is from the time when I was expecting my first child. The reports from every month, if I'm not wrong. That's the amount of papers I have here. पहले बच्चे में आप हर चीज़ करते हो ना. So this is what it is. Oh my God, I didn't even know I had this. I think this is Sarah. Why do I have my x-rays with me? I don't know what this is from. Last but not least, मेरा marriage contract.